Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing Whitefish Roe Pizza on the Karma 32 wood-fired pizza oven from WPPO. The first thing that we need to do is build the fire in the pizza oven, so stack a couple of smaller wood chunks on top of each other, then insert some kind of fire starter. When you have a good fire going, you can start adding more wood to the fire. And then you want to heat up the stone, which will take about 45 minutes to an hour. For the Whitefish Roe Pizza, we're using the Urban Slicer Neapolitan dough mix because it helps us get the pizza really thin and good. The pizza dough is now ready, so now it's time to shape some beautiful and thin 10-inch pizzas. Now it's time to sprinkle a little bit of Boursin garlic and herb cheese on the pizza bottoms. And you also want to add plenty of shredded Gruyere cheese. The pizza oven is sitting at 800 degrees, so it's time to bake the pizzas for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Halfway through, you want to turn them. The pizzas are now ready, so remove them from the pizza oven. And now it's time to finish the Whitefish Roe Pizza. Start by sprinkling some finely chopped red onions on top of the pizza. Then you want to add about 8 dollops of Whitefish Roe. And you also want to add 8 dollops of whipped crème fraîche. Last but not least, add a few sprigs of dill, and then the pizza is ready to serve. And that is how I make my delicious and luxurious Whitefish Roe Pizza. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh. So fresh, so flavorful. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.